Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch drama series for free on the DramaBox using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the DramaBox on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now you can browse and watch all the dramas that don't have VIP tag. Ads may appear, but that's the trade-off for streaming free. When you play an episode, you can turn on subtitles from the video settings. If the video is lagging, lower the quality so it plays smoothly on your phone. If the drama you want to see is on VIP section, DramaBox isn't the only option. There are many other safe sites. From there you can watch it. Just copy the drama you want to watch, go to Google or Safari, paste the drama's name and search for the site, and there you will see many options. From there you can watch it without paying, and that's it. That's how you can watch drama series for free on DramaBox. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.